Many of you may want to know, all right, you've got this Grow, Learn, Belong campaign, but what does that actually mean? What do you actually plan on doing? One of the big things that I've noticed is the disparities across intercultural studies, theology, and the psych schools, and I think that's crazy. I think what we need is a community that connects those together. And I think there's so many ways that we can do that, especially for first years. You first year students, you come in and you have an orientation week, and that's awesome, but it's so hard to meet people that way, especially if you don't start in the full quarter. So one of the things that I want to see done is having dinners or desserts once a month throughout the year for first year students, where they can come, know that they have a place to hang out with first years from all the schools. I also want to form small groups. I know we're going to be doing that with the new MDiv program for spiritual and vocational formation, but I want to see that beyond MDiv. I want to see that across the schools. I also want to see ways for us to connect outside of the Fuller campus, to actually have social events across the schools that we can do, where you guys can come and hang out and just be with people outside of class and outside of school craziness. Also, for ways to learn, I want you guys to be able to connect with professors. So I want to set up opportunities for you to meet with professors, whether it be in small groups or maybe one-on-one, whatever we can get going for you guys to actually have connections with your professors and have relationships with them, rather than just being student professor and learning from the syllabus. I want more from that for you.